had a couple of people on Facebook actually mention that they'd like some of these. It's a Power FC holder. If you don't know what a Power FC is, it's a aftermarket computer for a car, and they come with these little hand controllers. I've got a picture over here. The car that I used to own, the JZX 100 Chaser, basically they've got this little coin holder that sits here. It's like a little, I don't know what you call it, it's sort of like an insert. A lot of people don't use it, so what I did was make a little 3D printed design. This is a bit of it here, and basically what it does is it's a two-part piece. So one part is the actual holder and the second part is a little clip. So yeah, I'll see if I can print it. It's been a while since I've used the 3D printer. I know that the last time I tried to print, the calibration was way off. As you can see, I need to actually get the filament back into the extruder. It's got a little bit there at the moment that's cut off. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys. I'm actually using Cura. I only just got this laptop working again, so I'm just sticking with what's on there. I know last time I used it, it did work. While that's heating up, I just wanted to go through some of my previous designs for this. So this was my initial design. You can probably tell how it works. Power FC controller sort of just sits in here. It's got an actual base and a cutout for the wire to come through. I then sort of moved to this sort of design. Rounded edges. I found that rounded edges sort of printed a lot nicer, and this was actually ABS, whereas the blue one was PLA. From then I sort of moved on to a shorter design, just to speed things up, and these printed I guess okay. They weren't too bad. You can see on this one they've still got the supports attached. I basically just break it off from there. But there was another design, the one that I showed you on Cura itself. Hopefully if this prints properly, you guys will see what it looks like at the end. So 215 on the extruder and 70 on the bed. Let's get rid of that little piece. It's a little bit hard doing this with one hand, but now I'm just gonna get spool ready. And we're going to pass it through this little guide that I printed a long time ago. Let's get that through there. So the spool's now gone through the guide and it's with the extruder now. I'm just going to run the extruder. Well, I'm just going to close matter control and head back over to Cura. Okay, let's print. I normally use a little cover. It's basically this plastic stuff. It sort of helps with keeping the heat in. A lot of people make an enclosure out of Perspex, acrylic, stuff like that. But yeah, I found it easy just to make one out of this. I'm just going to check that on now. Alright, so that cover's on it. So that's at temperature now. Printer should start, and there it goes. Alright, first layer, see how we go. Anyways guys, we'll let that print. It looks like the first layer's gone down pretty good. It's continuing to do the third layer I believe now. So yeah, we'll check back on it probably in about half an hour's time. It said the print time's going to be about 45 minutes to 50 minutes. I find that it does generally go over by almost 10 to 15 minutes on top of its estimate. So, but yeah, we'll keep checking throughout the process. Alright guys, so we're a bit over halfway through and it looks to be printing alright. Again, I won't know until it's completely finished and I have a closer look, but it seems to be going okay. Finally finished printing guys, it's just cooling down now. We can see the bed's at 50 and the extruder's at 58. So that's one part of the print. The next part's going to be the clip that slides in here. So I'll start that print now and hopefully we'll be done soon. Just loaded that second part up, the clip part, into Cura. And you can see how it's designed to slide in. Okay, so that's all up to temperature. Alright, well I'll let that run and check back on it in about 20 minutes. So at first I thought it actually printed pretty good, but there is a bit of an imperfection here. Basically that edge there is not quite printed properly. It's basically curled the filament up. So yeah, let's just see how it works. A little bit difficult doing this with one hand, but yeah, there you go. So that's how it clips together. It actually doesn't look too bad where that imperfection was. So yeah, I just need to get some acetone and clean that up a little bit. Also the acetone will help the two different pieces bond, and that should then become basically a finished Power FC holder for the JZX100. That'll clip into that coin pocket that I was talking about. And yeah, I'm going to print some more off because I do have people interested in this. So I don't think I'll do any more tonight, but I'll get back on it tomorrow after work. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you want to see more 3D printing videos, or even videos of me designing anything, I mainly use Autodesk 123 Design. It's quite a simple program to use. But yeah, if you want to see me design anything in particular, or work on the 3D printer, fix any bits and pieces, let me know down in the comments. And as always, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you enjoyed what you saw today, if you want to see more 3D printing videos, leave a like. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.